I'm going to show you guys how to relink your clips back up so that way they're up and running and working. Let's get into Davinci Resolve. So coming over here to Davinci Resolve, you see I got some red clips that are just simply not working, and if I drag them into Davinci Resolve, you can see they're nice and red and they're supposed to be sound effects, but I'm not hearing any sort of sound. So what you need to do to relink these clips, I'll just take that off the timeline real quick, is if you come up here to one of the ones that are missing and you right click on it and you go to relink selected clips, you can actually find where it is in your hard drive on your computer. So I have it in this sound effects folder, and then I'm actually looking for the bird song. So once I have the folder that they're in selected, once you have the folder that they're in selected, just hit select folder, and now as you can see it is no longer red, and that has fixed this clip. Now the sound effects are working. Okay, so that's gonna be all for this video. If you guys got something out of this, make sure you guys smash that like button, smash that subscribe, and leave a comment down below of what you guys would like to see more Davinci Resolve tutorials on this channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.